Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales, here today looking at this 2015 Peterbilt 388 with 18-foot Boulder Lane Dump Body from Boulder Lane Manufacturing. We got the brand new Hendrickson steerable lift axle on there. Got the fuel tank just right there, perfect for the ladder. This particular bed went with the 1/4-inch Hardox 450 steel. Go ahead and show you that right here in this inspection door. Just another option as well, keep you from climbing up in the truck to look if your load's stuck. So there we go right there, Hardox 450. And then this is 1/4-inch thick. We also have a bunch of different thicknesses, all the way up to 3/4 really. And we make 3 versions of this bed. This is pretty much the standard version here with the 1/4-inch, and then we have a weight saving version where it's still 1/4-inch Hardox steel, but you save about 1,100 pounds. And then we also have a heavier version that's for hauling like 5-6 foot boulders, you know, where 2 boulders is a whole load in the truck. So, and that would definitely be some thicker steel on there. We got these spreader chains right here. Just unhook those, hook them right there. If you want to spread a load, you can still do that even with these round bodies. This is our most popular pintle hitch configuration right here, the 6-bolt with the air dampener inside that pops out so that you don't get as much knocking there when you're towing a trailer. Then we always got the 2 extra holes there for adjustment, and we got the air lines right there on the side of the frame, keep them away from getting damaged when you're dumping a bunch of concrete chunks on there. And we also put the electric tarp on this as well, as dual chrome breathers, dual chrome exhaust. Got the horns on the roof there, upgraded front suspension with the 315 tires. We definitely recommend that with these 4-axle setups. Go ahead and take a look in the cab here. On this particular one, we did the air-powered dump body controls. You can see, nice thing about these air controls is when you turn the PTO on, when you go to lower the bed, it automatically disengages the PTO. That solves the problem of getting your pump burned up by leaving it on and driving down the road. Got the tarp controls, the tailgate, high lift tailgate, and the latches. We have the lift axle right there. We got a light for the PTO, so just double reminder that you don't leave it on and drive away, and the bed up indicator light. And so we got a lot of different dump body controls available. We also have a load camera system where you can look in the bed, and reverse camera as well, so that's pretty cool. We've got tons of options. This is Shay with Truxas Sales. Just give us a call and visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. We'd be happy to discuss a custom build with you. Thank you.